Curtis Trades here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Surfola SD710 dual dash cam. This is a 2.5K front cam, which is 1440p, and it's got a 1080p rear cam. It's very easy to use. It comes with everything you need in the box. The only thing it's missing is a SD card, which many people already have, and if you don't, they're very cheap to pick up on your own. Installation's very simple. You plug it into your cigarette lighter, then you feed your cable up around the A-pillar up to through the headliner. Comes with a trim tool to help you do that, which is a very nice addition. And then to hook it up to the rear cam, you plug the rear camera into this front camera and run it along the headliner back to the back of the car. A few things that I really like about this is it has a magnetic mount, so you can take it off and put it back on really easily. So if you need to take it off, maybe if you're in a bad part of town and you don't want it displayed up there, you can just unhook it and pull it right off of there. The other really nice thing I like is that these come with a windshield guard, and what it is, it's a clear plastic piece that attaches to your windshield, and then you stick the 3M sticky connector to the windshield guard, and so when you take it off, it's super easy to take off. This is what is left from my old dash cam's mounting piece. I had to use my windshield scraper to pry it off, and this 3M sticky is really hard to get off your windshield, and I actually put so much force trying to get it off that it broke. So the windshield guards are actually a really nice thing that they add on. It has physical buttons on the side. Some of them have touch screens, and they're kind of tricky to use, especially when you're driving, for example, to hit the emergency record. So I like that this one has a physical button. You can reach up, you can feel it, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. I also really like the price point for this camera. This is one of the best prices to get a dual camera that's a little bit better than 1080p, and it's right around $90 on Amazon, and you can check the link in the description to purchase it. I think this is a really awesome camera, and I think it's at a perfect price point for the features that it comes with. It has parking guard, so if it detects a movement or if it detects a noise, for example, if your car gets hit or someone makes a noise at night, it'll emergency record, which is nice. You can hardwire it if you want to. Let me show you some of the video from the camera. We have some daytime driving, some nighttime driving, and some overcast driving, and again, it's a very clear picture. It's easy to see license plates. I think this is a perfect resolution and a perfect price point. It's under $100 to get dual cameras, and it's better than 1080p. There's not a whole lot of difference between 2.5K and 4K. There's a little bit, but it's not near as noticeable as the jump from 1080p to 2K. And honestly, I think this is one of the best cameras for the price that you can get. Again, check out the description to purchase it on Amazon.